again, the military arm or the military wing of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Much like if you're following what's happening in the Middle East, Hamas would be the military side of the PLO type of thing. With that being said, Ubaba uGedle Hlekisa then in the 80s then became the head of intelligence of Umkhonto Wesizwe. So people will look at this charismatic, short, chubby, great smile, beautiful voice man and forget this guy's killed hundreds of people. This guy is one of the most intelligent South Africans we have. You know, you can't just be head of intelligence of a military wing by accident. You know, it's not like, oh my God, who are we gonna have? You know, so again, it's a lot of questions now when they're moving on and we're saying we know you to be a branch of the ANC, much like Youth League or Mama Be Youth League. I mean, or Mama Be ANC. Now you want to be your own independent political party. What does that look like?